Hi everyone, we're just quickly showing you how to make a graph and represent data in Excel for today's video. Now up here I've made a new CD sales Excel document, and here is the space to put all of our data. I do have some spare data over here already, and I'm just going to place it in here to save time rather than typing this all out. You'll notice that I've got sales of CDs because we're working on CDs, but I haven't put that in. Sales in 1970, 1980, and the data goes all the way down to 2020. And you can see that the year 2000 we sold the most CDs. Now if you click and select the data and then go up to the insert button and then choose your style of graph that you want, I'm going to choose a line graph here, and click on it, it will create the graph automatically down here. Now there is a few ways that you can get this wrong, and it's not your fault, it's the way Microsoft and the robots in Microsoft Excel think for you. So I'll get rid of it. Let's say you're trying to be polite and neat, and you actually call this year because you've given it a title because you want your data to look nice and neat. And so now you've got your year, 1970, 80, same thing, we've only put one word in, but if you do that and then you select your data, you go up to insert and do a line graph, you will get a crazy looking graph because it tries to map all the years over here on this line, and it maps all of the CD sales there. And so the axis now no longer make any sense at all, and it is simply this one here. So I'll just quickly get rid of that, and I'll delete this one and select, we'll show you quickly again. So you select it, the sales one is on the title here, you can actually put it anywhere, and insert line graph, and you now have a line graph there. It's also dynamic, which means that if you don't like the way it looks, or if you've made a mistake and this data over here is wrong, you can actually change it, and the map, you can see the map is updating dynamically. So maybe that one needs to actually be 700 because the year 2000 was a good year for CDs. And so see how the map is now changing there. You can also change the title, sales of CDs, and that part will also update. Once you have this graph here, you can simply copy and paste it and place it into any document you like. So that's just a quick introduction on how to make a quick graph to use in Excel. This part's important though, okay? You only need one title. If you put another title there, it tries to graph that data for you, and that's not what you want.